Just okay. So I'm going to show my new squishy. So this is my address and number phone, vehicle name, and this is slip from post office. So the item is squishy. So I bought 3 squishy from Ainlumban. So sorry because ching like that. So sorry. Oh, I have one again packaging. So yeah. So I got open. So this is the squishy. Have cheese squishy. So I'll show you my jumbo macaron squishy. I bought from Ainlumban. The Facebook name Ainlumban. You must add her and you must buy the squishy. I so very love. So this is photo I bought squishy from her. So this is Hello Kitty fish. It's a real squishy. It's super soft. So another one is a mini burrito macaron. So yeah, it's super soft and it's a burrito. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. This is part 4. Bye.